I'm going to show you guys how much I have made staking around $480 in Wonderland Time in 1 week. So let's get into it. So to start, I put in around $480 into the Wonderland Time. At that point, the APY was around 83,000%, and the time price was around 8,000, and now it's at 5,600. So I'm just going to kind of show you how much I was making per day and how much I was making for the whole week. So to start here, if you take a look, you can see this is my staked balance. This is how much I have staked within it. So this is how much I'm making. Says your next reward amount. This is how much I'm making every 8 hours. So it's another 4 hours till the next one. So every 8 hours, I'm making this. So if we go to the coin market cap and we put it in here, this is how much I'm making every 8 hours. So $2.30. So if we do the calculator, that would be 24 hours divided by 8 would be 3. So there's 3 8-hour sessions within 1 day. So I'm making $2.30 times 3, make about $6 to $7 a day. So we'll just go with $7 to make it easy.
I'm really rich. I'll show you that in a second.
So right now I'm making about $7 a day, staking $480. Now keep in mind, as you're paid out in the memo or the memo, this balance is going to continue to grow and it'll compound a little bit and be even more as time goes on, because I'm not going to be unstaking it. So right now, let's go to the calculator so I can show you how much I bought and how much it's worth today before I show you how much I made for the whole week. So if we change this, this is where it shows like how much your investment was at 8,000. It's a little complicated, but don't sweat it. I'm going to kind of go through everything here. So this amount of memo or memo is worth about $480 when the price was 8,000. So my initial investment was $480, which was this amount of memo or memo, which is time, or this amount of memo or memo, and then we're going to put that in here of what it currently is worth. So you can see my initial investment of $480 is now worth around $342. So if you take my original investment of $480, that same amount of memo or memo is now worth $342. So if we subtract $342, you can see we have a loss of $138 just on the initial investment.
Well, that sucks.
Now, because we are earning the interest, which is how everybody's making money with this, we're earning this amount every 8 hours. So like we said, it was the $2.30, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, so it was about $7 a day. It's been 7 days, 7 times 7. So that means we should have made around $49 or $50 within 7 days. Now, this does change just because the APY is constantly changing, and not to mention the actual time price itself is changing. So technically, my initial investment of $480 plus $50 worth of, which is how much I've made in the past 7 days from the APY, would be $530. So my initial investment of $480 would now technically be worth $530 if the market had stayed the same, if the price had stayed the same. If it had been around $8,000, that's where I'd be sitting. But because it did not, that means we're actually sitting at, let's see our total here. So our stake balance is this. We're going to take that, get the price of it. So it's worth $381. So our initial investment, 480 minus 381. Means we are down $99 right now at the current price of Wonderland Time. So obviously if this goes up, we'll be more profitable. If we can get on the 8,000 mark, then we're talking my initial investment 480 will be about 535, but right now it's worth about let's double check so I don't do this wrong. So my original $480 investment is worth the $381. So like I said, it's $100 loss right now. So, but I'm gonna keep it in there. Like I said, I put 500 in. Not too concerned with pulling it out anytime soon. So I'd like to see it go up to 8,000 again or above it like it was before. I think at one point almost hit 9 a while back. But if we see here, that was a crazy spike. But yeah, if we could get back up in here, we'll be good. It does look like it's on a little bit of a decline. I've heard about the rug pull on, let's see, what was it, Snowbank. So a lot of people are kind of saying that that's a big reason for the drop, as well as everything else is on a decline as well a little bit. So, but you can see here we're just straight up, straight rug pull. So that's one reason why people are saying it's going down, but who really knows? But I believe it's going to go back up. I know a lot of people are going to be buying right now, especially with how much is coming out on YouTube and social media, and everybody's talking about it. So I feel like it's going to come up on an incline a bit before it levels out. But I'll keep you guys updated. That's how much I've been making in 7 days. So I'm negative $99 in 7 days. If the market had stayed the same, I would be around a $50 profit per week. So hopefully you guys found this entertaining, or hopefully you guys found some sort of value out of this, just to kind of give you an idea of what could happen if you throw 480 or 500 bucks at Wonderland Time, and how much you could be making back potentially. Now, please keep in mind, this is all for entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just it's just my opinion and what I think. And so, like I said, the market goes up and down all day long. You can see here, it's gone up a little bit as is. So if you guys like the video, please hit that like button, and I will catch you all on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day.